Hi everyone! So today, we're gonna do an everyday makeup look. So I have my friend here para turuan tayo on how to make your makeup properly. It's syempre at the same time, I'm actually gonna tell you a story. So it's a story about a woman named May at ang kanyang experience of having an abortion. So bago tayo mag-start with May's story, let's start with the makeup muna. So ano bang una natin gagawin?
So we have to start, of course, with prepping the skin. Kasi as much as we want to make it as natural as possible whenever we apply makeup, kailangan talaga dito, lapat na lapat yung makeup or the makeup products we're going to use sa skin.
Oh yeah, so maglalagay tayo ng setting spray and also something on the lips, right?
Yes.
So that's the story of May. So May is actually a mother. So meron siyang anak. And she's a very loving mother. Pero there was a time na nagkaroon ng sitwasyon sa buhay niya na it's really not prepared. She actually had an unwanted pregnancy. When I say unwanted pregnancy, it's something na nabuntis ka na hindi ka pa ready.
So next, I'll be applying naman primer on her skin. Ito, even if it's an everyday makeup, it's necessary if you want to prevent or if you want to avoid na mag-retouch ng from time to time.
So May found out that she was pregnant again. It was really a difficult time for her. Hindi pa siya ready emotionally, physically, and of course financially since meron pa nga siyang anak. So dito sa Philippines, if you have an unplanned pregnancy, there's really limited options. Maraming mga babae ang actually nakapag-experience ng ganitong sitwasyon and they really don't know what to do. So si May, she heard it from her friends na think she had to take some pills. So nagpunta siya sa doctor, asked for some medicine to prevent the pregnancy. But the doctor actually did not help her. The doctor just said, punta ka na lang sa pharmacy and then just get some pills. So she went to the pharmacies without knowing what pills to get. But yung pharmacist nga refused to help because here in the Philippines, abortion is illegal.
So if you want to have a very quick lang na application and you want it as natural as possible nga na makeup base, you can actually just apply concealer. So as you can see on what I applied to her, I just use a concealer that is very near to her skin color. And then I just put the product under the eye and then sa side ng nose and to other areas na mas kailangan ng coverage. Di ba? Mukha ng natural.
Yan, nice.